So, who else is gonna live vicariously through their Animal Crossing villager this Halloween? Trick-or-treating is pretty much canceled this year, but I guess I'm also 17 years old anyways, so I decided to make stickers. Yes, the first product to be sold in my Etsy shop. I'm so excited. I had a really fun time deciding what villagers to use and what costumes they would wear. So Poppy is actually wearing one of the witch outfits that you could get from the Able sisters, and she's holding a cute little broom, and I think this sticker might be one of my favorites of the pack. Something that I do recommend that you do if you are planning on making stickers is that when you do the liner on them, do a test print just in case to make sure that the liner isn't too thick or too thin, because after doing this line art, I did a test print of it and it turns out the liner was a little bit too thin. So I went back in and I thickened up the liner a bit, as you can see, and I ended up writing down the thickness of the brush that I was using just to make sure that it's consistent for when I design stickers for future reference. I put Coco in this sticker pack because when I was looking through the list of villagers, deciding who to put in this pack, I immediately thought Ghost when I saw her face, because she has that classic ooh ghost face. And I pictured her with a big blanket over her head trying to like spook other villagers, and I thought it'd be really cute. So I sketched it out and this was the result. Stitches is one of my favorite Animal Crossing villagers, and I thought looking at him, since he is supposed to be a stuffed animal that's been stitched together, I thought that he would be perfect as Frankenstein's monster. So I ended up changing his colors to greens to add to the whole look, and added bolts into the side of his head, of course. And I felt very proud of this idea, and I was like, yes, this is cute. And then I realized that it has been done before by a couple of other people, but you know, that is life, I guess. So I tried to make it unique, and I still am really happy with it. My boy, he's eating his candy, of course, because that's exactly what he would do. I really like the green colors specifically, and I changed the stitches on him to different colors to make it a little bit more fun, and I really like him. Next up, we have Bob. He was perfect for this sticker pack because he fit the color scheme, and I originally drew him with a really funny looking face, and I felt like I just had to put him in the pack at that point. So he has the face that I gave him originally, and I think he looks so funny. Love him so much. I dressed him up as a vampire because when I drew his weird mouth, I felt like it needed a little extra something, so I gave him some fangs, and it worked out perfectly. He's a cute little vampire. I also put Lucky in the pack. He was the first villager I decided to put in for obvious reasons, and I ended up only giving him the little devil horns that you can get for the Halloween event because he already kind of has a very like Halloween costume look. But to make it more interesting, instead of having him just standing there. I had him trip over a bandage that kind of unraveled off of his leg. I really like that. I think it adds some motion to it, and he has some candy spilling out of his little bucket. The face of this jack-o'-lantern bucket is actually Jack, the Halloween event character. I didn't make a sticker of him, but I still wanted to include him in this somehow, so I decided to add this in as a little extra detail. Since this was my first sticker pack, we had to experiment quite a bit with printing and sticker paper and all that good stuff. So with the sticker paper, we found that the brand Sheet Labels Spectacle Matte paper worked the best for us. When we first printed the stickers, they came out kind of grainy. I wasn't happy with it. So we ended up going into the print settings, and there's a high quality setting on our printer. So we fixed that real quick, and now they look really good. And now for the smooth stylings of the silhouette. Lots of trial and error, but here are the final results. Really happy with the print quality, no pixelation, and the paper feels really nice, and it has a nice matte finish. And here are all the stickers in my Animal Crossing Halloween sticker set, now at my Etsy shop. Happy Halloween!